I was selling car washes part-time in high school and making almost six figures.
Wow.
I learned how to make money early on. And so I learned that I liked money and I liked making money and I liked working. So when I graduated high school, I had a bunch of different jobs in high school, but that was the one thing that stuck. And when I was going to college, I tried out a lot of different classes. I knew that I wanted to do business. So I was like in these business courses, listening to somebody that's reading me a book they didn't write about a business they didn't own. And I was like, why? I'm literally losing money being in this space. And I went and worked underneath operators, and I worked in healthcare. I worked for a radiology firm for a long time. I went into construction work for a demolition company and ultimately ended up in oil and gas, which I'm 5 generations in oil and gas. So it was a space that I understood and eventually would end up there anyways. And that was my first toe dip into the private equity alternative investment space.